Hi, Patrick from the Arc Film Productions here. Like a lot of people I know, I've been slowly making the switch from Premiere Pro to Davinci Resolve. I wanted to make a tutorial about something that is seemingly easier in Premiere, and that's masking. More specifically, mask transitions. I'm going to show you an easy way to do this within the Color tab. Once you have chosen your desired clip, head over to the Color tab. I chose this shot here because we have a nice tree in the foreground, and it includes the shot from top to bottom. An object like that is excellent for doing a mask transition. This clip here already has two nodes, a color space transform and a basic exposure adjustment. The first thing you want to do is right click under the nodes and click Add Alpha Output. That part will be important later. What you want to do is add a new serial node. Choose the pen tool and begin to mask out your object. A good tip when drawing your mask is to try and make one that covers the entire size of the frame. At this time, you'll also want to choose your feathering options as well. Now that you have created your mask, if it is selecting the wrong part of your image, you may need to invert it. You'll need to navigate to the Keyframe tab. Click on Automatic Keyframing on the corrector that corresponds to your node. It will now make a keyframe every time you move this mask. Now it's a matter of scrubbing through the footage and moving the mask accordingly. To complete this mask, all you have to do is connect that node to the new alpha output. Simply draw a line from the blue square to the alpha output. Now head back to the Edit tab to see your work. In this instance here, I want to place another clip underneath the clip that I've been working on. And when you're playing back your clip, if you see any errors in your mask, simply go back to the Color tab and readjust. I hope this has been helpful.